What is this?
Oh my God! He hasn't said anything that clear.
What is this? Say it. What is it?
He says, you know, why should I tell you?
Dean, what is that?
Give me one cry.
Dean, what is that? What is that? Look. What is it?
What is it, baby? What do you got?
What is that?
You tell Mama what you have. Tell Mama what you have. Dean, Dean.
That was very clear.
Oh my gosh, every time he said it, it was clear.
What is that, Dean?
Here. What's this? Can you tell
What is
Mama
that?
what it is? No, that wasn't it.
That sounded like it, though. Tractor. Say tractor.
What is it?
He says, you know what it is, don't ask
Oh my
me.
gosh, I know, right? You probably think some people are done with